Greetings and small talk. Hey there. Hey there. What's up? What's up? How's it going? How's it going? Long time no see. Long time no see. What have you been up to? What have you been up to? Same old, same old. Same old, same old. Expressing agreement. Totally. Totally. For sure. For sure. You bet. You bet. I'm with you on that. I'm with you on that. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Surprise or excitement? No way. No way. Are you serious? Are you serious? That's awesome. That's awesome. You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. Showing interest. Really? Really? That's so cool. That's so cool. Tell me more. Tell me more. Sounds good. Sounds good. Saying goodbye. Catch you later. Catch you later. See ya. See ya. Take it easy. Take it easy. I've got to run. I've got to run. Talk to you soon. Talk to you soon. Apologies and gratitude. My bad. My bad. No worries. No worries. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a bunch. Expressing feelings. I'm feeling under the weather. I'm feeling under the weather. I'm beat. I'm beat. I'm pumped. I'm pumped. It's driving me nuts. It's driving me nuts. I'm over it. I'm over it. Other useful phrases. It's up to you. It's up to you. Out of the blue. Out of the blue. Hang on a sec. Hang on a sec. I'm all ears. I'm all ears. Let's grab something to eat. Let's grab something to eat. What's the plan? What's the plan? You nailed it. You nailed it.